Simplify the complex fraction. We have the fraction x squared minus 25 over x plus 3 divided by the fraction x plus 5 over x squared minus 9. We can rewrite this complex fraction, noting that the middle fraction bar represents division, as does all of the fraction bars, and we can rewrite this as x squared minus 25 over x plus 3 divided by x plus 5 over x squared minus 9. To divide, we multiply by the reciprocal, and so we have x squared minus 25 over x plus 3 times x squared minus 9 over x plus 5. Now, before we multiply, let's factor. Our first numerator is a difference of squares, so it factors as x plus 5 times x minus 5, and that is over the denominator of x plus 3. And our second numerator is also a difference of squares. This factors as x plus 3 times x minus 3, and that's over a denominator of x plus 5. Now we multiply the numerators and denominators. We have x plus 5 times x minus 5 times x plus 3 times x minus 3. And our denominator is x plus 3 times x plus 5. Now we divide out our common factors. We have a common factor of x plus 3 in the numerator and denominator, and we have a common factor of x plus 5 in the numerator and denominator. Our denominator is now 1, and so simplifying, we have x minus 5 times x minus 3. Multiplying this out, we have the trinomial x squared minus 8x plus 15.